Hey guys, this is Dan with Gears and Gadgets. Thanks for tuning in. I'm back with another video a day till this channel hits 100K. The last 2 days I have driven, I don't know, well over 600 miles, maybe 700 miles, filming for a video that I will have out, probably I'll have it out Saturday. I'll do a live stream tomorrow like I normally do. I have this Friday live stream I like to do with you guys, especially as this channel is growing. It's just a great way to have a better one-on-one kind of interaction with the viewers of the channel. The last 2 days, what I've been doing is I was up in Flagstaff, I was over in Tucson, I'm based out of Phoenix, filming a video that I didn't really know what the end result was going to be. And honestly, this probably the favorite videos that I have are the videos where I don't really have, I guess, like an outcome in mind. It's more or less like record what happens and then let the video be what the video is going to be. Today was one of those days, today and yesterday honestly, were days where yesterday's video idea kind of came to me spur of the moment, and actually that video is performing very, very well. This video that I'm spending several days and hundreds of miles of driving filming is probably going to flop. That's just how YouTube works. I don't know why. It just is. The videos that you spend the most amount of time trying to figure out how to make and put together don't do well. The videos that you come in the garage, sit down, crack a beer, and just talk at the camera, stream of conscious, tend to do the best. I don't know why. I literally have no clue. YouTube is weird like that sometimes, but I think the viewers just kind of appreciate that authenticity, that rawness. And that's why even days like today where, you know, I get home, eat dinner, and I said, you know, I told my wife, I don't really know what I'm going to make a video about. That's what I'm going to make my video about. As I'm doing this video a day and as I'm seeing the subscriber counts tick up, it's not lost on me that I think a lot of people are here because I'm not afraid to do that. And it's not a failure. It's just the reality of a day in the life of content creation. Do I decide eventually that I want to just slow down and spend more time making better videos? Or do I want to not focus on perfection and just make whatever the video for the day is? Let me know in the comments down below. What do you guys want to see out of this channel? If this is something where you guys would prefer that I just come in the garage and whatever the video is that I make for the day is the video that I make for the day, if that's the expectation, well then the pressure for me to make every video a banger kind of goes away. And truth be told, I've done a pretty good job of not worrying about whether videos are going to be bangers or not, because I've learned you can't predict that. You can put in a ton of effort into a video, have it flop, and vice versa. So what I don't want to assume is that the video a day is something that's resonating with people if it's not, and keep pumping things out for the sake of pumping it out if you don't like it. But would you guys prefer on days like this where I get caught flat-footed, where I allocated all of my day to work to the point where I actually didn't get anything accomplished for a video that I wanted to put out for today? The video that I was working on today was for, or let me rephrase this. Would you guys prefer that maybe when I'm out on these road trips, and I've thought about this, but I'm like, yeah, nobody wants to watch that. Would you prefer a little bit more of like a behind the scenes of what it is I'm working on daily on this channel? Or would you rather me save that video for, you know, a complete video later? I don't know. I'm just trying to figure out, like, what do I do with this channel going forward on days like today? Do I continue the video a day? Because like I have a big holdup right now. There's another YouTuber over in California, James Harrison, his channel. He's actually changed the channel name a few times, but he's got a truck build that I would love to go out and take a look at. We exchanged a couple of messages back and forth. I want to get over to Texas and meet up with the Talon's Garage people. There's a vehicle that I can go pick up, I think, long-term in California that I can probably roll into that trip to check out James's Bronco build. And I also am thinking about taking a road trip up to Seattle. And when I start talking about those kinds of videos, those are going to be videos that I kind of need to film over the course of days. That trip to Seattle could be weeks. Would you guys just like to go along for that trip and see the daily, even if I'm working on taking all of those dailies and like building it into a much longer video? Or would you rather me just post 3 videos a week and focus on quality, not quantity? And I struggle with that because quality, I don't think quality does well on YouTube. I say that sort of because like you look at somebody like Mr. Beast, he spends $2 million on a video and has spent every waking moment of his life trying to figure out how to capture human attention. And I use the word human because that to me feels very inhumane. It doesn't feel normal. Studying YouTube and trying to deliver every single waking moment to capture the human element feels so inauthentic to me that I don't want to become that. So if you guys would rather see me focus on the authenticity and just make whatever video it is that I make for the day, I can do that. I can scale down to like 3 videos a week and focus on a little more quality over quantity. Or I can maybe go down to like 2 videos a week. But I don't know if that would make me a failure in the video a day to 100K. I don't know if I want to stop until I hit 100K because I've kind of made that a personal goal of mine, and I don't want to abandon that either. But I'm not so hard on myself that that I'm going to sit there and be like, oh, it's a failure. Like, nah, I've done over 100 videos in a row. I'm pretty content with that. When I set a video a day to 100K, I don't know if I even believe myself that I could do it. But making it to 100 videos, it keeps me motivated to keep going, but also not, I realize that it's not like the end of the world if I don't. But I don't know, setting goals and meeting them, it's also a big deal. So again, I don't know. Let me know in the comments down below. Today is a little bit of a struggle bus, and it's not because I sat around at the house all day like self-pity, like, oh, I have creator's block, I can't figure out what to do. No, I just kind of got caught filming more ambitious videos that are coming down the road. And that's all part of being a YouTuber as well, is like, you're gonna have those kinds of days. So I've tried, I don't really wanna make this like a daily vlog channel where the content is just follow me on whatever I'm doing. I'm actually trying to, and I think you guys will see this in a lot of my videos, I'm still trying to produce good review videos, truck modification videos. I'm trying to do like videos that most people, most creators would say took them several days to produce. I'm trying to shoot it, produce it, edit it, get it out all the same day. And I think I've done a pretty good job at doing that. But again, I'm making this video today more as a, what do you guys want to see out of this channel? I don't want to assume my viewers want something and then, provide something else. But I don't know, it's a tough one. So with that said, let me know in the comments down below, what do you guys want to see out of this channel? And I'll do my best to kind of follow suit there. Just a little more of a straightforward raw video. I kind of ran out of time today, and I need to get this video edited, get it published. Call today not a loss because I actually was super productive, but kind of a failure in the video a day intent of making all of these videos the best that I possibly can. And if I'm going to fall short on those kinds of videos, this is what you're going to get. Let me know. Is this what you want to watch? With that said, thank you guys very much for tuning in. If this is your first time tuning in, please hit that subscribe button down below. Remember, likes go a long way to help support the channel. See you guys tomorrow.